Welcome back to another video. In this video we will drop a column from an existing data frame. To do so, we will use the drop function already present inside the Python package, that is Pandas package. To drop particular columns, that is in our case quarter column, we will provide names of these columns in a list to the columns parameter of drop function. Quarter, let's see the result. As you can see, quarter column has been dropped from the df_2021 data frame. Let's suppose we also want to drop two more columns that are city and company. To do so, we will provide list of the names of these columns to the drop function itself.